Welcome back students to our maths class of class 7th, and we are seeing about decimal numbers. Yesterday we had learnt about decimal numbers, some facts we have learnt about decimal numbers, and we have started exercise 2.5 question number 3. So today we are going to start with question number up to question number 2 we have seen. So today we are going to start question number 3. Now in question number 3, first question is express 5 centimeter in meters and kilometers. Okay, 5 centimeters in meters and kilometers. Okay, before approaching this sum, first thing I will have to recall a knowledge that you have already learned in 5th standard. In 5th standard you had conversion of quantities like kilogram, hectagram, decagram, gram, then milligram, centigram, decigram. So these were all of the conversions that you had already done. Then the same thing was with meters also, and the same thing was with liters also. So these three quantities you have changed, you have converted from one form to another. So somewhat such a kind of, that only kind of sum here we have, but here we have to express in decimal form. Here we have to express in decimal form. Before going, first we will recall that knowledge. Here we have meters. Okay, suppose here we have meter, then we have a decimal point, then we have decimeter, we have centimeter, and we have millimeters. Okay, so I would request you, as you are seeing the video, you write down this somewhere in your book, in your notebook, most probably the last page of your book. Then this side you have, on the left hand side you have meters, then we have decameter, hectameter and kilometers. Okay, now this is nothing but this is the place value system. This is the place value system. Here is the ones place, here is the tens place, here is the hundreds place, and here is the kilo means thousands place. Okay, decimeter means 1 upon 10 place, centimeter means 1 upon 100 place, and millimeter means 1 upon 1000 place. So this table is very important. Right hand side, here it is the smaller side now. Here it is the smaller side, and left hand side it is the bigger side. Okay, so this you have to keep in mind. This decimeter, centimeter, millimeter, they are the smaller numbers, they are smaller, and decameter, hectameter and kilometers, they are the bigger numbers. I would request you to please copy down in your book the page where we have written our tables of rules of addition and subtraction of integers. There also you can write down, but this is very handy. Actually this is only recalling of knowledge. You all have learnt about this in your previous classes. Okay, now what is to be done? Now when we convert the quantities, when we go from small to big, what is that? We go from small to big. Okay, so this is one of the conversion. What we have to do, that is a very big question mark in front of everyone. It is very confusing. And what we have to do when we go from kilometers to millimeters, or when we want to convert from kilometers to hectameters, kilometers to meters, or meter to millimeter, that is big to small. So these are the two cases that we have to see. When we go from small to big, in yesterday's video also I had said, when we go from small to big, that is when we have to convert millimeter, centimeter, decimeter into meters, decameter, hectameter, kilometer. We will divide. And when we go from big to small, we will multiply. Once this concept is clear, then this conversion is very easy. Small to big, divide, big to small, multiply. So this is to be kept in the mind when we are solving this sum. Now I will rub out this whole thing and then we'll start with our original sum. So here the sum is expressed 5 centimeters in meters and kilometers. One more thing with that table that we have seen just now, that we cannot convert centimeters into kilometers directly. Yes, we can do, but that is quite confusing. That is quite confusing. If you want to convert centimeters directly into kilometers, it is confusing. But if you convert centimeters into meters and then meters into kilometers, that is quite easy and that is quite understandable. So whatever quantities are there, let it be kilometers converted into centimeter. This also directly can be done. It can be done, but it is a bit confusing. So if kilometers is to be converted into centimeters, then kilometers is first going to be converted into meters and then meters will be converted into centimeter. So these are the steps, some small things that we have to, though this makes the process a bit lengthy, but anyway you can solve both the ways. But here we are going to go with centimeter first converted into meter and then meter converted into kilometer. Now this first sum is quite easy, but the second sum is quite lengthy. There you will come to know how we do it very easily. So this is the first sum, expressed 5 centimeters into meter and kilometer. So A part, 5 centimeters in meters. Now we have to convert 5 centimeters into meters. Okay. Now as per the table, centimeter, below centimeter it was 100. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So this is very important. Though it was written there 1 upon 100, but 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Okay, as per the table. So therefore 5 centimeter equals to, now here centimeter is to be converted into meters. We are going from small to big. Small to big we have to divide. So 5 centimeter equals to 5 upon 100 meters. Got it? What we have done? So we have divided by 100 here. This is what is always confusing to each and everyone. Many students, they come in 7th and 8th, but they still don't understand how to convert this. So we are going from small to big. So we are going to divide. So here 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. So we are dividing it by 100. Let's proceed further. Now conversion is very easy. For this 0, we will write down 5. For this 0, no number is there. So we will write down the 0 as it is. Now 1 comes. When 1 comes, we will give decimal point and no other number is remaining. So we will write down 0. So 0.05 meters. So 5 centimeter equals to 0.05 meters. Now 5 centimeter is to be converted into kilometers. 5 centimeter is to be converted into kilometers. Let's see how it is to be done. Now as I have told you that 5 centimeter cannot be directly converted into kilometers. It has to be converted into meters first. B part. 5 centimeters in kilometers. Now 5 centimeter equals to 5 upon 100 meters. So this we have already seen that 5 centimeters equals to 5 upon 100 meters. Now we will keep this as fraction only. We will keep this as fraction only. Why? We will come to know when we solve further. Actually we have found out the answer of 5 centimeter equals to 0.05 meters. But that 0.05 meters we are not going to consider. We will consider this fraction only. Now as per the table, we have to convert centimeters into kilometers. Again we are going from small to big. So again division is there. So again we will write down our conversion formula. 1 kilometer equals to, already we have converted into meters. Remember we are converting centimeters into kilometers. So already we have written 5 centimeter equals to 5 upon 100 meters. Now 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters. Again this is in the table. We have seen that this is the place in the place value system. Kilometer means, kilo means 1000. Okay. So now 5 centimeter equals to 5 upon 100 meters equals to, why we have again written this, not here meters, here would be meters. Now this 5 upon 100 meters would be converted into kilometers. So 5 centimeter equals to 5 upon 100 meters equals to 5 upon 100. Since we are going from small to big, so we will divide, a division sign, and divided by this number 1000. So ultimately we have to solve this much part. This is the first sum. It may be confusing to you. Again, remember, we are going from small to big, therefore we have divided. We have converted centimeter into meter first. Now this meter is to be converted into kilometers. So here we would write kilometers. Now already we have solved such kind of sums. This 1000, we have the denominator 1. Here we can consider the denominator as 1. So this equals to 5 upon 100. This would be reciprocated. Here denominator is 1. So reciprocal of this would be done, and multiplication sign 1 upon 1000. 1 upon 1000. Now no common, though there are common factors, but we are not going to use those common factors. What we are going to do, numerator multiplied by numerator, denominator multiplied by denominator. So this equals to 5 upon 100 into 1000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on 1, 5 zeros. Done. Now only we have to convert is that this fraction into decimal. How we are going to do that? For this 0, 5 is there, so we have written 5. For this 0, no figure, so write down the same number. So 2 zeros are gone. For this 0, again no figure, so 0. For this 0, again a 0. 1 comes. When 1 comes, decimal point, no figure, so 0. So 0.0005 kilometers. And done, our conversion is done. So this is, once you practice like this, no conversion would be a confusion for you. You would be always 100% right if you follow these methods. Okay. So we will solve the second sum now. So second sum I have written you for you on the board. Express 35 millimeters in centimeters, meters and kilometers. So again, here first centimeter is given, then meter is given, and then kilometer is given. But what we would follow? We would first convert this 35 millimeters into meters first, and then from meters we will convert it into centimeters and kilometers. So already we have what we can say, meters if you convert, then going to centimeter and kilometer would be quite easy. So A part, first we would convert 35 millimeters into meters. 35 millimeters in meters. Okay. So now millimeter, below millimeter there was a figure called 1 upon 1000, or we call it thousand. On 1000, th is written thousandth. So 35 millimeters in meters. Now we know that 1 meter equals to 1000 millimeters. 1 meter equals to 1000 millimeters. Then now convert 35 millimeters into meters first. Therefore 35 millimeters equals to 35 upon, again millimeters to meters, small to big, so divide, so division sign, divided by this figure 1000 meters. This also we have to keep it as it is, because this fraction we are going to use in conversion to centimeter and kilometers, and we will convert this into decimal form also. So very simple. For this 0, 5. For this 0, 3. For this 0, no figure here, so 0 will come as it is. Now 1 is there, so when 1 comes, decimal point, and no other figures here, so 0.035 meters. Actually, this is the answer, and this fraction we are going to use again while converting into centimeters and kilometers. So very easily 35 millimeters is converted into meters. Now we proceed towards the B part. Okay, first we will do in centimeters. B part. 35 centimeters in 35 millimeters in centimeter. 35 millimeters in centimeters. Now again, this is very tricky. Tricky means you have to keep in mind big to small and small to big. Only these two things if you are knowing, the table, the place value table, and what is to be done while going from big to small, multiply, and small to big division. Only these two things you know, any conversion you can do very easily. So 35 millimeters in centimeters. Now we have already written 35 millimeter equals to 35 upon 1000 meters. Previous to this, in A part we have solved this. 1 centimeter equals to, sorry, not 1 centimeter, 1 meter, below centimeter 1 upon 100 is there, so 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. This is to be known, very necessary. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Now we are going from, though it is millimeters to centimeters, but now we are going from meters to centimeter. Okay, so again we will write down this. 35 millimeters equals to 35 upon 1000 meters equals to, now we are going from meter to centimeter. Meter is big, centimeter is small, so big to small multiply with what? With 100. So 35 upon 1000 multiplied by 100 centimeter. Done what we have understood, what we have done? Meter to centimeter we are converting, because millimeters we have converted into meters. Now this meter is to be converted into centimeter. So we are going from big to small, so we will multiply. Now here 1 0 cut, 1 0 cut, again 1 0 cut, 1 0 cut. So we are left with 35 upon 10 centimeter in decimal form. For this 0 we are going to write down 5. 1 comes, so decimal point, and 3 is remaining, so 3.5 centimeters, and done. So 35 millimeters has been converted into centimeters. If you go like this, your conversions would never be wrong, though this is 1 or 2 steps more, but this will be always perfect. Okay, very quickly we move towards the C part, that is conversion into kilometers. C part, 35 millimeters in kilometers. Again the same thing, 35 millimeter equals to 35 upon 1000 meters, because we once you come to meters, conversion from meter to any quantity is quite easy. Meters into kilometers, hectometers, decameters, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. So first convert into meters. Now 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters. Why? Because this millimeter is to be converted into kilometers. Again the same thing, 35 millimeter equals to 35 upon 1000 meters equals to 35 upon 1000. Now just we have to decide whether we have to divide or we have to multiply. Now we are converting meters into kilometers. we are going from meters to kilometers. That is small to big. We are going from small to big. So going from small to big, we will divide. So here division sign would be there. Divide with what? With 1000. And then just we have to solve it. So this equals to 35 upon 1000. This division sign will convert into multiplication, and reciprocal of 1000 would be 1 upon 1000. Quite a big answer. So this equals to 35 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So on 1, when we multiply 1000 into 1000, so we get on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros. Now what I will do? I will write the answer here. Okay? I will write the answer here. So this equals to, now 35 upon 1000. For this 0, 5 is gone. So I will write down 5 here. For this 0, 3 is gone. So we will write down 3. And how many zeros are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 comes. So all these 4 zeros are on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1 comes. So decimal point. And no figure is left. No figure is left. So 0. So this equals to 0.000035 here kilometers. Here would be kilometers. And then our conversion is done. So 35 upon 35 millimeter equals to 0.00035 kilometers. Okay, quite lengthy sums. We stop here. In next video we will continue.